Went to Opus Mall to try Sobra Cafe. Na-curious ako dito sa ad nila na the best tapa in town. Sobra Cafe is the cafe of David Licauco. Kaya daw ganun yung name is because their servings are generous. Ganda rin ng cafe niya, so cozy. At dahil kasama ko yung daughter ko that time, we ordered their mac and cheese. Hindi nakakaumay yung cheddar cheese sauce niya. Tapos yung topping niya is barbecued pork belly with burnt ends. Kaya yung overall taste nitong macaroni and cheese is cheesy and smoky. Actually, madami nga yung serving nila pero nalingat lang ako saglit, halos maubos na to ng daughter ko. Sarap daw, iba yung dating niya sa mga mac and cheese na na-try ko. This is one of their best sellers daw and gets ko na why. Hindi siya nakakaumay kahit sobrang cheesy. And the pork belly topping is tender, sarap ng barbecue sauce with charred flavor. Their tapa sobra is made of signature US beef tapa, added flavor and garnish yung pickled onions. Meron ding fried garlic and eggs over garlic rice. Thinly sliced yung beef kaya this reminds me of gyudon. Generous nga yung serving kaya pwede na to for 2. Overall taste is really delicious. Savory yung beef, wish ko lang mas garlicky pa, pati yung fried rice. This is a different take of the famous Pinoy breakfast na tapsilog. Mas prefer ko lang yung egg ko sa tapsilog na runny yung yolk, tapos crispy yung edges ng white. Kanya-kanya lang siguro tayo talaga ng preference when it comes to tapsilog. Overall, na-enjoy namin yung food na in-order namin sa Sobra Cafe. Ang ganda pala sa Opus Mall kaya sure na babalik kami. Ano pa masarap i-try sa Sobra Cafe?